Padre Pio, our patron saint, is one of the most extraordinary and fascinating saints in modern times. Um, his miracles and wonders are well noted and reported. Reports of healing, soul reading, levitation, and bilocation. But what struck me most in the life and legacy of Padre Pio is his dedication and commitment in bringing souls closer to God. He spends long hours in the confessional, at least 18 hours each day, attracting penitents from all over the world, aside from hearing confessions from his parishioners. This inspires me to, to confess on a more regular basis since I'm just one among the many humans who have not practiced the sacrament of confession on a regular basis. Now I am inspired to do that regularly. Padre Pio has inspired me to go to confession on a more regular basis. The weight of sin and guilt and the shame of sin that affects me and burdens my life is totally gone whenever I go to confession. I get so guilty sometimes being a servant here in Padre Pio Parish that for the past several years, I have not been confessing. But one thing touched me. One time when I was catechizing children for the First Holy Communion, and I was talking about the sacrament of reconciliation, a small girl asked me, "Tita, do you go to confession?" And I could not tell a lie to her, so I just cried. Nevertheless, Padre Pio has inspired us to go back to the confessional because he brings souls closer to God. I would like to encourage everyone to join our First Friday Masses, wherein we have the First Friday Confession. Let us celebrate the fiesta of Padre Pio together and thank him for all the intercessions that he has given us. He has given us hope, healing, and reconciliation that we need badly in our modern world because we need divine grace in the modern times. We thank Padre Pio for all these, and we can do all that. We could do all that by going back to God and seeking His mercy and pardon.